And we're back. Master Chris back.
Jada.
Going for a walk through the woods. Found this hidden path a while back. I was chasing my neighbor's dog up this hill. I forgot how fucking hard it is walking.
I really like these shoes.
You do?
Yeah. They're comfortable.
I get everything from my woman.
He got me a bunch of new shoes and new clothes while I was in jail. So I got all kinds of new stuff now. My shirt, Mama Bear.
Yeah, that dog ran all the way up this way.
Yeah. You still recording?
Yeah.
You could have came with that one too.
Oh. Alright, next time I will. Next time we will.
That was nice.
Yeah.
That house.
Nice.
This is probably somebody's property. Probably.
Look at that. Last time I went up here and chased the dog was piss pouring rain out. Up that way.
That was for the dog then?
Yep.
Crap. My legs are still tired from yesterday.
So we're going for a walk.
Yeah, this is gonna be Stevie's driveway. I wonder if it is anyway. Move back down should be easier.
Well, it's the main road now.
Oh, this is the main road?
One main road.
Well, let's see if we go back down that way.
Which
Maybe
way?
here.
That leads to the graveyard.
I don't want to walk all the way to the graveyard.
I don't know what this leads to.
Probably leads up to the other houses up the street.
Mine leads to Memorial Boulevard. And Master Chris out, Jada's out. We'll be back in a little bit.